Good morning, everybody. Hi, good morning. Vamos a esperar 4 minutos más e iniciamos. Okay, it's 9:05. We are going to start our class. Good morning, everybody. It's very nice to see you. Last Sunday, we left talking about staying in shape, Unit 6, the vocabulary about exercise and physical activity. So today, we are going to review that vocabulary, okay? So let's remember. Hold. Okay. We have first play basketball, go running, go swimming, play soccer, go bike riding, do aerobics, play golf, go dancing, go walking, take a shower, lift weights, cook dinner, clean the house, go shopping, study English, talk on the phone, watch TV, sleep, and those were all. So now let's listen to the audio, please.
Look at the graph, then listen and repeat in the pauses.
Play basketball.
Go running.
Go swimming.
Play soccer.
Go bike riding.
Do aerobics.
Play golf.
Go dancing.
Go walking.
Take a shower.
Lift weights.
Cook dinner.
Clean the house.
Go shopping.
Study English.
Talk on the phone.
Watch TV.
Sleep.
And finally, sleep. So we are on Unit 6, Staying in Shape. And today, starting our class, we are going to talk about grammar. So please pay attention. We are going to talk about can and have to. And the first one is can. When we say can, we are talking about a possibility or an ability. For example, I ask you, here in Puerto Barrios, where can I go dancing? Where can I go dancing? I'm asking for a possibility of where can I go dancing? And you can tell me, well, here in Puerto Barrios, I can think of Rumberos, Paradise. Those are places that I can go dancing. And then you answer, you can go to Rumberos. You can go to Paradise. You can go to, etc. Where can I go swimming? Here in Puerto Barrios, somebody tell me, where can I go swimming?
Pepsi pool.
Oh, very good. Okay, very good, Brandon. So you can go to Pepsi pool. Or where else? You can go to Las Escobas. You can go to Amatiquebe, okay? Places I can go swimming. Where can I play tennis? Where can I play tennis here in Puerto Barrios?
Complejo deportivo.
Very good. So you can go to El Complejo. Then we have, where can I eat seafood? Where can I eat seafood in Puerto Barrios? Ooh, a lot of restaurants. Tell me one restaurant where I can go eat seafood. Somebody, a restaurant where I can eat seafood. Seafood, remember, fish, shrimp.
El Cangrejo Azul restaurant.
Oh, thank you. El Cangrejo Azul restaurant, very good. Or
La pesca.
La Pesca restaurant, very good. El Safari restaurant. So where can I go eat seafood? You can go to El Cangrejo Azul. You can go to La Pesca. ¿Se dan cuenta? Estoy preguntando. So it's a possibility, pero también habla de habilidad. For example, I can speak English, but I can't speak Chinese. I can't play the guitar. No tengo esa habilidad. I can't. But I can, I don't know, cook. So we use can for a possibility or for an ability, okay? And the verb is going to be in the base form of the verb. No lo vamos a hacer el verbo en present continuous, in the past, no. Present, sin conjugar. Ok. Vamos a hablar más específicamente about can. And how do we form a sentence using can? A noun or pronoun? That means I, you, he, she, it, or a name, noun or pronoun. Then can, I, can, and the base form of a verb. I can, a verb, eat. I can eat, ¿ok? Y ya le agregamos lo que queremos que diga. I can eat seafood. I can eat, mejor así, seafood in el cangrejo azul restaurant. I can eat, ok. ¿Y cómo lo hacemos negativo? Fácil. We just add apostrophe and T. I can't eat seafood in. Tell me a restaurant where I cannot eat seafood. What restaurant? No seafood. So I can eat it in el cangrejo azul, in la pesca, yes. Now tell me the name of a restaurant where I cannot.
Dana's restaurant.
Excuse me?
Dana's restaurant.
Sometimes there's fish there. Hacen tapado y calle, tapado y camarones. Tell me another, Andrea.
Pero no es bueno.
Donde Fabio Steak.
Okay, Fabio. Or what about McDonald's?
Bien venden hamburguesas de pescado.
I don't know. So, I can't eat seafood in McDonald's because in Campero, when it's the summer, they sell shrimp, remember? In Campero venden camarones para el verano. So, I can't eat seafood in McDonald's. I can't, okay. So you understand, right? Veamos más ejemplos. I can play soccer tonight. Juan can't go to the party. We can jump very high. So if you see, here is talking about a possibility. Sí le va a ser posible jugar hoy en la noche. Here also a possibility. But here in sentence number 3, it's talking about an ability. We can jump very high. And here, it's talking about a possibility. So now, how to make sentences with can using making question sentences. Como siempre, ¿verdad? En las preguntas va al revés. So first, can plus noun or pronoun plus the base form of a verb. Can you go to the movies with me? Can I eat this pizza? Can you go to the park with me? Entonces aquí primero va noun o pronoun y aquí primero va can. Pero quiero que nos fijemos en algo muy importante. Aquí, si ustedes se dan cuenta, no hay question words. ¿Cuáles son las question words? Where, what, when, who, how. Okay. When we use a question word in a sentence, then the question word goes first, okay? Si en algún ejercicio tenemos de hacer preguntas o algo así y hay question words, siempre estas van primero en una pregunta. Entonces vamos a hacer una usando una question word. Una de estas que ya tenemos aquí. So we can say, number 1 says, can you go to the movies with me? Okay, let's use where. Where can we go to the movies? Where can we go to the movies here in Puerto Barrios? Oh, you can go to Pradera in Albacinema. Or who can go to the movies with me? Who can go to the movies with me? And maybe Israel is going to say, I can go with you. Okay, so who? I'm asking for a person. When can you go to the movies? With me? Ok, entonces, si se dan cuenta, cuando hay question words en una oración, esta es la fórmula, ¿verdad? Can plus noun plus base form of the verb. Pero cuando hay una question word, nada más sería que le agregáramos aquí al principio. Question word plus can plus noun plus base form of a verb. ¿Ok? Si tienen alguna pregunta, ya saben. Me paran, me preguntan y con gusto les explico. ¿Y cómo se responden? Can you go to the movies with me? Yes, I can. Or no, I can't. Can I eat this pizza? Yes, you can. Can you go to the park with me? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can she go to the movies with me? Yes, she can, etc. No, he can't. Yes, she can't. No, she can't. Now we have to. In can, we talk about a possibility or an ability. When we use have to, we talk about an obligation, okay? An obligation. For example, I have to teach on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday because my job is a teacher. So I have to teach, I have to work. Eso no es una posibilidad, es una obligación. Yo no puedo decir, can I teach? No, I have to teach, I have to work. An obligation. I have to clean the house this week. We have to clean the house. And we have to. We make it using the noun or pronoun plus have to, or muy importante, acuérdense que have is have or has, depending on the pronoun. Have to, has to, plus base form of the verb. I have to work every day. You have to eat all your greens. Now let's make these sentences using has. I have to work every day. She has to work every day. You have to eat all your greens. He has to eat all his greens. And the other one is, it has to eat all its greens, okay? So remember, esto le dimos duro cuando lo aprendimos, have and has. Has, we use it with he, she, and it. She has to, he has to, it has to. Y todos los demás with have to. I have to, you have to, we have to, they have to, okay? Now let's make questions. In the questions, we are going to use do and does, plus the noun or pronoun, plus have to or has to, and the base form of the verb. And remember that do and does, it varies. Do you have to? Do they? Igual. Does he, does she, does it? Do you have to go to the bathroom? Does she have to work every day? You see? Vamos a usar do cada vez que hacemos have and does every time. No, I'm sorry. Have y has no tienen nada que ver aquí. Lo único que va a variar aquí es do y does. Entonces, cuando hacemos una oración usando have to, miren, cuando no son preguntas, when it's a statement, tenemos que ver cuál es el pronoun o el noun, el sujeto, para usar has to or have to. Entonces, si es she, he, it, vamos a usar has. Si es you y todas las demás, vamos a usar have. Para las preguntas, lo que va a variar es do y does. Y de ahí siempre va a ser have. Permítame que pase ese cambio. Y siempre va a ser have. ¿Por qué? Porque ya do lo modifica. Ya este auxiliar no permite que se modifique have to. Entonces, en una pregunta siempre va a ser have. No importa si es she, he, or it. It's always going to be have. Lo único que va a variar es el do o el does. Entonces, does lo vamos a usar con estos tres. Con estos tres vamos a usar does. Does he, does she, does it have? Does he have? Does she have? Does it have? Okay? So in a question, have, always. Y lo único que va a variar es do or does. So, do you have to go to the bathroom? Does she have to work every day? Does he have to play soccer tonight? Does she have to get married? Okay? So, recapitulando. In a question, always is going to be have. Have to, have to. The only thing that is going to change is do or does. And we are going to use does with he, she, and it. Do you, do I, do we, do they, and does he, does she, does it. And in a statement, we are going to form it with the noun or pronoun, have to or has to, and the base form of the verb, depending on the pronoun. Y acuérdense, cuando sea un nombre, porque no siempre nos va a venir así. You, nos pueden venir nombres. Entonces tenemos que ver, okay. Let's see. So it says, your sister has to or have to? Your sister?
Have to.
Very good. Your sister has to eat all her greens. Ok, ¿y cómo sabemos que es has to? Porque your sister is a girl and she's a she. Entonces es como que aquí dijera she. Otro ejemplo. My parents, my mom and my dad, have to or has to?
Have to.
My parents have to go shopping. Why? Because my parents is plural. We are talking about they. So it's like here, it would say, they have to go shopping. Okay, so remember, siempre atentos a cuando no sean plural, cuando no sean pronouns, pueden venir nombres o por ejemplo, my mother-in-law, y fíjense bien, si viene en singular, es que es she, he or it. Y si viene en plural, no puede ser he, she or it, porque ellos hablan solo de una persona. Por ejemplo, my parents, plural, they. Pero si solo hubiera dicho my mother, singular, she has. Okay. Let's move on. And then we have in our book on page, what page? Page 64. Lo que acabamos de ver. Can. It says, use can plus the base form of the verb for possibility. We can stay out late tonight. There are no classes tomorrow morning. I'm too busy this afternoon. I can't play golf. Mona can meet us at the park, but her husband can't. Okay, for possibility, pero si miramos aquí, can also expresses ability. We can speak English. They can't play piano. Questions. Can you go running tomorrow at 3 o'clock? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Have to. Use have to or has to plus the base form of the verb for an obligation. I have to work late tonight. Or negative, I don't have to work late tonight. She has to meet her cousin at the airport, or she doesn't have to meet her cousin at the airport. Questions. Do they have to work tomorrow? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Does he have to go to class now? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Usage. When declining an invitation, use have to provide a reason. Ok. Entonces, dice, cuando vamos a declinar una invitación, por ejemplo, aquí, dice, can you go running tomorrow at 3 o'clock? Estamos en esta de aquí. Can you go running tomorrow at 3 o'clock? And I can't. No, I can't. Y luego dice que tenemos que usar have to para dar una razón. No, I can't. I have to go to church, or no, I can't. I have to work. ¿Ok? Now, vamos a ver si entendimos. Read the sentences carefully, then complete each sentence with can or a form of have to. ¿Se dan cuenta cómo dice? Or a form of have to, porque puede ser has to or have to. Okay. Let's do number one. It says, I'd like to go out tonight, but we have a test tomorrow. I can study, or I have to study. Si yo tengo un examen mañana, ¿podría estudiar o tengo que estudiar?
I have to study.
Exactly. I have to study. Recuérdense que los verbos aquí no los van a conjugar, se quedan como están. A menos que sea, a veces la oración tiene dos verbos. El verbo principal no se va a conjugar. El otro verbo sí puede ir conjugado. Ok. Number 2. Audrey for us for lunch today. Her boss with a report. Okay. Audrey hasn't meet us or can't meet us. Number 2, it's negative.
Can't.
Okay, so number 2, Audrey can't meet us for lunch today. Now look here, is an obligation. Cuando dice jefe, es una obligación. She can't meet us for lunch today. She has to help her boss write a report. Okay. Intentemos trabajar solos number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay? So number 3, good news. I can't work late tonight, or I don't have to work late tonight. Number
I don't.
Thank you. Very good. I don't have to work late tonight. We have to go running, or we can go running.
We can
Go
run.
running.
Very good. We can go running. Y aquí está de lo que les hablaba. Miren, aquí en esta oración tenemos dos verbos. Tenemos work and running. Pero si nos damos cuenta, la oración principal es esta. Esto ya es un complemento de la oración. Entonces, el verbo principal, que es work, no está conjugado. Ahora el otro, que es running, sí ya está conjugado. Ay. Okay. Hold on. I don't. We can go running, era verdad. We can go running at 6. My sister not go shopping at the mall today. She to the doctor. Entonces, de las dos, ¿cuál es la obligación? The obligation is going shopping or going to the doctor? The obligation is going to the doctor. So going shopping is a possibility. So here, my sister can't
Go shopping.
have. My
sister can't go shopping.
Very good. My sister can go shopping to the mall today. Marlon, why? Because she has to go or have to go?
She has to go to the doctor.
Very good. My sister can't go shopping at the mall today. She has to go to the doctor. Number 5, Henry to Toronto next week. So he not play golf with us. Okay. Entonces, para saber cuáles can y cuáles have to, tenemos que ver cuál es la obligación y cuál es la posibilidad. So I think the obligation is that Henry has to go to Toronto. So that is the obligation. Okay, so if that is an obligation, we have to use have to. So number 5, Henry has to go or have to go?
Has.
Very good, Adelaida. Henry has to go. Y aquí ya vieron lo que les decía, no usaron, igual que quería, no usaron he, usaron un nombre, pero ya sabemos que Henry, one person, a man, he. Henry has to go to Toronto next week. So he, negative. Not significa que es negative. He
Doesn't have to play.
No, this is the obligation. Here is a possibility. So if it's a possibility, use,
So
So
he can't play.
very good. So he can't play golf with us. And number 6, sorry, to the aerobics class tonight. I with my boss. So which one do you think is the obligation? The obligation, the aerobics class or my boss?
With my boss.
That's the obligation, right? So it means that the first one is a possibility. So I have to use have to or can.
Can't.
Okay, so sorry, I can't go to aerobics class tonight. I have to meet with my boss. Okay, so number 1, I'm going to read them. I'd like to go out tonight, but we have a test tomorrow. I have to study. Audrey can't meet us for lunch today. She has to help her boss with a report. Good news, I don't have to work late tonight. We can go running together at 6 o'clock. Number 4, my sister can't go shopping at the mall today. She has to go to the doctor. Henry has to go to Toronto next week, so he can't play golf with us. Sorry, I can't go to aerobics class tonight. I have to meet with my boss. Ok, ya se nos va a cortar. Regresamos a las 10:10. 10:10, ok?
Okay.
10:10, we're back.